Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. What we have seen up till now is that USD INR has appreciated a lot, and in dollar we are expecting further strength in the coming days. But since the past 2 days dollar has rallied a lot against the Indian rupee, so what we are expecting is that it will take a bit of rest, that is, it will stabilize at current levels, and then again we might witness an upside rally. What is also indicative is that the USD index is not showing that much strength. Currently it is trading at 79.31. This we are expecting will support INR at lower levels. That is, if we see further depreciation in the rupee, this could well be halted by the weakness in the dollar. What is key development herein is that the US corporate earnings are better than expected. So we are having a good earning season. Huge companies, corporate MNCs like Apple have had good earnings. So this is supporting the US economy, and alongside it is supporting risk appetite in the market. What we have also seen is that the Spain bond auction went pretty well, and they had a good bid to cover ratio. At the same time, we saw a healthy demand for the bonds, so this has infused some positivity into the market. That is why it is also contributing to the stabilization of dollar against rupee. What we have also seen is that the housing market data has shown signs of improving. This is also supporting risk appetite. What we will see in the coming days is that we have the Fed meeting, which is due today, and what the expectations are from this meeting is the third round of quantitative easing. If these expectations of quantitative easing are met, then we would witness appreciation in the rupee against the dollar. At the same time, if there isn't any quantitative easing, we would witness appreciation in the dollar. Also, unless and until we have any major positive triggers for the rupee, we'll continuously witness appreciation of dollar against the rupee. As you can see, we have weakness that is persisting in the global economy. Even Greece is, European economy is showing further signs of weakness. What we recommend at this level is buy at all dips from the current level and keep a target of 53.10 in spot. Euro is also holding its gains in the recent days against the dollar. What we have seen is that it has crossed 1.32 levels. If it holds current gains, then it might rally further. But comparatively, what seems to be the issue is that though the Spain bond auction was good, we have witnessed the yields almost double. So this is going to create further weakness in the euro. What we have also seen in the past few days is that the German PMI was weaker than expected. This seems to be inducing certain negativity in the European economy. At the same time, what we recommend here is hold your long positions and keep a target of 69.85 in the spot. Pound, we expect to move alongside the euro, and it is going to track the euro more or less. But as it has rallied since the past week or so, we expect it to come down from current levels, at least correct a little bit. And what is going to be key for the pound today is that the UK GDP data is due. This would impact the pound movement, and even the slightest below expectation data would cause it to move on the downside. We recommend a booking of profits in the long position, and we expect that the trend will change to bearish below 84.27 levels in the spot. In the Japanese yen, what we are witnessing is a depreciation in the yen. This depreciation is expected to continue as it is based on the quantitative easing expectations of the Bank of Japan, Central Bank of Japan. So what we are seeing here is that if any news of quantitative easing comes up or Bank of Japan announces a quantitative easing, there will be further fall in the dollar yen rate. At the same time, this would also influence the yen rupee movement and bring it downside. Of course, this is subject to the dollar rupee movement. If dollar rupee appreciates a lot, we would not witness that much appreciation, that much depreciation in the yen against the rupee. What we recommend at current levels is exit all the long positions, as we expect a trend reversal, and the trend could majorly change below 64.41 in the spot. Thank you.